Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enroll for online banking for Eastern Bank. If you've recently opened a bank account for Eastern Bank and you'd like to get access to your account online using your electronic devices, then you'll need to enroll first. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser in order to start. Soon after you do that, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.easternbank.com and enter. Right in the home page of Eastern Bank, which looks like this, go to the login button at the upper right hand corner and click it on. This should bring up an expanded menu. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and select your account type from the top and then enter your username and click sign in. But if you'd like to enroll to a new online banking account since you've not yet, click on this enroll link. Now on the next page, select whether you'd like to enroll for your personal account or your business account and click it on. In order to enroll for your online account, you'll need to have your social security number ready as well. Start by typing in your first name into the first text box and then head over to the next field and type in your last name. Make sure to enter the information that matches your information that you use during opening up your bank account. Finally, type in your social security number and click on next. So after you hit next, on the next page, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to sign up or register for a new account. That is how you'll be able to enroll for online banking so that you can get access to your account with your electronic devices whenever or wherever you are. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If you found it to be, go ahead and make sure to give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.